Hi mga friends! Ayan, we're getting ready for lunch. So, we'll cook chicken curry. Ayan, meron pa yung isang cubes natin kasi that's good for two. Ayan o. 2 for, ayan, 1 pack, 2 recipe. Ayan, so, 1 more for today. So, we're getting ready for lunch. At na-ready na natin ang sibuyas bawang for our chicken curry and patatas. So, gigisa na natin siya for lunch today. Ayan, although it's 12 o'clock, na late kaming gumising. Kaya, ayan, ngayon pa lang tayo nagpe-prepare ng lunch. Gigisa natin sibuyas and bawang. Lalagay natin yung chicken. Nagisa na natin yung chicken. Sangkutsa na lang natin or sear before natin lagyan ng sabaw and chicken curry. Pag malambot, at saka natin lalagyan yung ating potatoes. Yan. Sana masarap ang lunch natin today. It's a Saturday housework day for us. Potential. This is not available at the grocery, but it's available at Shopee and Lazada. So, kahit na Visayas, Mindanao ka, you can buy. It's with gata. Si Papsi does not eat curry, but because it has gata, so yan. Gustong gusto yan ni Papsi. Kutsa na natin ang chicken. Nilagyan na natin ng water, 1 cup, at saka yung ating curry powder. Ayan, curry cubes pala. Curry cubes, sorry. It's curry cubes. Yan, parang half of that. Or 1 box is 2 recipe. Ayan. 6 cubes is 1 pack 2 recipe. So, ayan, nilagay na natin ang ating curry for taste. So, hindi natin siya nilagyan ng any salt or patis. Just the curry cubes. Para may okay na yung taste niya. Nilagay na rin natin, friend, ang ating patatas para lumambot kasama ng chicken. And matunaw na yung chicken cubes. Ayan. And this is 1 kilo chicken, yung ating chicken curry, good for 2 recipes. So, you can cook for 2 kilos of chicken. Ayan. Masarap po siya. It's a chicken curry in gata. Tastes very good. Gusto ni Popsy even if he does not eat curry. Ito po kinakain niya yung chicken curry natin. Marca Piña brand po yun. Hi friend! Ayan, luto na ang ating chicken curry. For lunch, Saturday lunch. Sana magustuhan ni Popsy as usual. Thank you for watching. See you on our next video.